Generally, tomato sauce in Italy is made in two ways, with canned peeled tomatoes or with fresh tomatoes. With peeled tomatoes, the base is the soffritto with onion, while for fresh tomatoes, a soffritto with garlic is used. So, in this case, we will use fresh tomatoes and garlic. The other ingredients are extra virgin olive oil, dried chili peppers, and basil leaves. Let's start by cutting the fresh tomatoes into pieces to mince them in a food processor. If you want to do a thorough job, remove the hard part where the tomato was attached to the plant. If not, it's fine anyway. Turn on the machine in successive steps. The pulp must not be blended too much, because you must not feel its consistency in the sauce anyway. That's fine. Let's clean the garlic and divide it in two lengthwise. If there is a sprout, remove it. Put the pot on the stove and pour in a generous amount of olive oil. Throw in the garlic slices. Remove them as soon as they start to brown. It absolutely must not burn. Put in the dried or fresh chili peppers and fry them for about 1 minute before removing them. If they remain for too long, the sauce will be too spicy. Now pour in all the blended tomato pulp. Add a glass of water. And bring to the boil. Add fine salt, without exaggerating. Later, when the sauce has reduced, taste, and possibly add more salt if necessary. At this point, we can add an extra ingredient that will make the sauce tastier and more capable of adhering to the pasta, the tomato paste. Let the sauce reduce on low heat. The cooking time from when we added the tomato can be 20 to 30 minutes. When the sauce is almost ready, add the washed and dried basil leaves. They will release their wonderful aroma and become like dark green strips, which we will avoid putting on the plates. If the density is good, if it is more or less like in the video, taste the salt. If you don't like it, add a pinch and mix. Now the sauce is ready for immediate use. We have prepared a dish for 3 people of penne, a type of pasta much loved in Italy. We season it generously with spoonfuls of our sauce.
Adesso mescolo.
The sauce, but it can also be stored in the fridge very well, in jars with little air, for several days. Obviously it must then be heated before using it. If you want, add 1 or 2 teaspoons of grated parmesan on top. Also at the table, whoever wants can add more chili oil. Enjoy your meal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to put a like and subscribe.